how the business world actually works, and do you want to start your own business or an online business or side hustle? Everyone has the skill set to the $1 million business. They can earn $1 million in 1 year. Everyone has the skill, but you want to unlock your potential to do that, and you want to be a millionaire in 3 years or in 5 years. So start taking action right now. Start doing the hard work. Don't wait for anything. If you want to grow big in your life, you have to sacrifice of who you are, of who you have been. Otherwise, your aspirations will be the will become sacrifice. So many people will say, I want to do business, I want to do that, I have this desire, or I want have this dream, but they don't take action, and they realize after 10 years the time passes by, and then suddenly after 10 years they realize, oh, this is my dream, I have to do now, but it's too late. No, it's not too late. You're not taking action towards your dreams or goals in your life, and your inaction costs you more than your life. When you're contemplating or procrastinating on your goals, it will be very difficult to grow in your life as per your realization. It will take some time. But when you're starting to do the business, you have to keep in mind that entrepreneurship is not for faint-hearted. You have to be very strong enough, and you have to be strong enough from inside mentally, emotionally, and physically as well. But when you cannot tolerate the stress of entrepreneurship, you cannot do business. Entrepreneurship, Elon Musk famously said that entrepreneurship is eating a glass. While you're doing the job will have a eating like ice cream. It will be very cool for only some period of time. After some period of time, without cooling, the ice cream will vanish away. So it will be like that. In entrepreneurship, it's like eating a glass. What is meant by eating a glass? If you're going to struggles, or if you want to go to the heavens, or like you want to dream big and you want to achieve your dream, you have to go through the hell. If you are going through hell, don't stop while you're stopping in hell. So walk away or run away from that. In my experience, when I started my first business, it would take me so long. I have procrastinated for like 2 to 3 years and didn't start my business. And I have what you say, I have the goal or like aspiration to want to be entrepreneur and want to start my own business. But I'm not an entrepreneur. I'm entrepreneur. Once entrepreneur means I wanted to start business but didn't start it. So it took me a long time. I have wasted my time and I'm regretting for that. Why I have didn't started early. Why I didn't done it before. If I have started 3 years before, now I can become so much good in my business, and I can learn, and I can earn so much of money, and I can learn so many of skills and experience. So I can be a mentor, or I can grow my business, or I can make my dream happen by now, because it's been only 3 years. 3 years is not any so short time, it's very long time. In 3 years you can achieve, you can change your life. But when you're doing the hard things or wanting to create your own, I have so much fear and so much social anxiety to promote my products or to grow my business, because this is my first time as a first time business owner or first time founder. It's quite difficult to promote. Means I have cared about what other people think about my content or about my videos, about my product and all other things. But you have to fuck that shit and don't care about all the things, what they think, or who people are watching you, or what other people will think about you or your business or your thing. So don't care about these all things, and it will be quite good enough. It will be good enough for your life, for your business as well. So and in my experience, when I'm doing this struggle and all, it's been a quite difficult journey. I don't know how to promote or how to market or how to sell my products or how to grow my business. In today's world, it's quite difficult without creating content or without paying much to any creators, influencers to grow your business. You have to get a lot of funding, otherwise you have to bootstrap with your own money. There are only two choices. When you bootstrap with your own money, it will be quite hard for you if you're not generating the revenue or profits from first month itself. You have to do that, and you have to grow exponentially, and you have to create some exposure to your life. You have to create some exposure to your business, and you have to connect with so many people, learn from them, take help or support from them. If you are seeking help or you want to support, so be so start asking them. Don't shy or don't fear away of how they will think they will help you or not, or they will support you. So don't fear that or don't shy away that. So go ask them. I will ensure that no person will don't say no to you. Only some people will say no, but everyone will give you some time, or they give you some advice, or they will help you, or they will support you. when you're doing these all things, you have to believe in yourself and start being self-confident in yourself, what you're doing. Because when you don't know how to market yourself, it's quite difficult. You have to learn a high value skills to grow your business or to grow your personal brand as well. Because your personal brand will help you create more opportunities in your life. It will help you to grow your business. It will help you to grow and more money, or to connect with great people who are like entrepreneurs, CEOs, content creators, or big celebrities. It will help you have so many opportunities and have so many advantages to grow you in life. So start creating your personal brand as well with your business. It will help you grow business faster and create a strong connection with your audience, your customers or clients. So I also have done so many things in my life from like past 1 year, and I have failed at so many things, and I cannot figure out what to do or how to earn the money, how to learn the skills for earning high income, or like how I want to learn high value skills in today's world. And like it's quite difficult for me to learn these skills or to, because no one has supported me and don't know how to learn. I simply go to YouTube or Google and search the things I want to learn, and I watch so many videos, and even I procrastinated them by not doing or not learning from them, their courses and all. After doing some things, after passing like 4 to 5 months, I have figured out I have to learn, I have to do the hard work consistently for like some period of time. And I'm doing this now, and I'm learning these all skills, and I want to build my strong personal brand, do as a content creator, and as well as I want to create a strong brand to my business. And whether you are bootstrapping your business, have to start earning money from first month or like first few months itself, because it will be more difficult when you're passing by through your business like 3 months or 6 months. Because when you get funded by investors or you have some funding amount, you can get so easy, you can get so much support or help from your investors, and you have some money. If you are burning some money and you're not making profits also, it's okay, you can generate slowly. But you can, if you are creating your own business from your own money, it's quite difficult to grow your business. Because when you completed off with your money, some amount of money, you cannot do grow, you have to shut your business, because you don't have the funds to grow or invest in your business. Without making profits or without funding by investors, it's quite difficult to do business nowadays. But you have, when you have the money, you have to grow step by step. Don't put all of your money at once, and slowly put in reinvesting your business, and slowly grow through like some 6 months or one period of time. Whether you can start funding, whether you want whether you want to like whether you want to seek funding from investors, you can pitch to them when you want, when you require funds, or when you need it for your business to sustain or to grow your brand. So without funding, it's quite difficult to put your own money, and you will get some losses initially, like few months of time, and you cannot manage that. You cannot tolerate the risk and the stress. The stress will be very high, but you have to be used by it. You have to daily work like 24/7, because it's not work 24/7. You can say you will succeed your business, but at least you have to work 12 hours every day to sustain your business. From morning to evening, daily it will take consistent, and have to be risk tolerance will be high. You have to be taking constantly efforts, putting daily in the work, and putting your mind, your constant efforts daily, and you have this risk tolerance to take the stress from that business or from your entrepreneurship journey. Because it will be quite hard when you're doing this by personally, by only you. Have to create a team. You have to have like a co-founder or like CEO, like having some partner like 2 to 3 members. Then it will be quite easy to grow as a person, as an entrepreneur, as in grow, want to create a strong brand.